Alright, we're going to do a crystal healing singing bowl, clearing for abundance to remove poverty consciousness. Please be aware, sitting here are beautiful Lemurian crystals. And then you have a gorgeous crystal skull to help to clear away anything that no longer serves you. We also have a beautiful, powerful tool by Brian Besco. Take a deep healing breath. Pull in light. Let anything that no longer serves you go out on the out breath. We call in the masters of light. We call in the Archangel Metatron, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Michael. Michael, please cut any cords with us from any poverty consciousness. Allow us to flow upward and into our prosperity consciousness, knowing that we are abundant beings now. Remind us that abundance consciousness is a state of mind, and we stay there now. Deep healing breaths. Allow the sound to gently fill your cells of your mind, your body, and your spirit with light, with love, with peace, with happiness. Please remove any poverty consciousness from this life, past lives, dimensions, any other dimensions, forward and backwards. We set the intention now to clear any poverty consciousness. Deep healing breath. We ask for the masters of light, the archangels, to take any contracts that we made for any poverty in the past due to religious beliefs or any reasons that we took on any contracts of poverty, and we ask them to be burned in the violet flame now. We see those contracts burned and we take back our power and our abundance. Deep healing breath. Fill the crystal healing waves, filling you with abundance, peace of mind, love, light. You are a crystalline light being. Remember your ability to move from dimension to dimension by simply raising your vibration. Use your sound to do this. Use your meditations to do